your job might already be obsolete. Not in 10 years, not in 5. Right now, 5 AI tools are quietly automating entire careers, and most people have absolutely no idea it's happening. Stay until the end, because the last tip could save your livelihood. We're living through the fastest technological shift in human history. AI isn't coming for low-skill jobs first. It's targeting high-paying, knowledge-based careers. Lawyers, designers, writers, coders, nobody is safe. Let's break down exactly which tools are doing the damage. Before we dive in, understand this. These tools aren't science fiction prototypes. They're live, they're free or cheap, and millions of businesses are already using them to cut headcount. This is happening in real time, whether your boss tells you or not. Tool number 1, AI writing assistants. Platforms powered by large language models can now produce blog posts, marketing copy, legal briefs, and research reports in seconds. Content writers, copywriters, and journalists, your entire workflow can be replicated for pennies per 1,000 words. We're not talking about clunky autocomplete. These tools understand tone, style, audience, and intent. They can mimic a brand voice after reading just a few examples. A single editor can now do the work of 10 writers. Companies have already started making those cuts. The numbers are brutal. Studies show AI writing tools can complete in 3 minutes what takes a human writer 3 hours. That's a 98% reduction in time. When time is money, executives see one clear option, and it doesn't involve keeping the writing team intact. But here's the twist. Writers who learn to use these tools become 10 times more productive. The ones losing jobs aren't being replaced by AI. They're being replaced by writers who use AI. That distinction is everything. Adapt or be automated. Tool number 2, AI image and design generators. If you work in graphic design, photography, illustration, or visual branding, pay very close attention. These tools generate photorealistic images, logos, and entire brand identities from a single text prompt in under 30 seconds. What used to take a senior designer 2 days now takes an AI 2 seconds. Stock photo agencies are already reporting massive revenue drops. Freelance illustrators on major platforms have seen their commissions crater by over 50% in some categories. This disruption is not theoretical. Marketing agencies are replacing entire design departments with one prompt engineer and an AI subscription costing less than $100 a month. A junior designer's salary can run $60,000 a year. The math makes corporate decision-making devastatingly simple. Once again, designers who embrace these tools are winning massive contracts by delivering in hours what competitors take weeks to produce. The market isn't shrinking for everyone. It's concentrating power into the hands of the AI fluent. Are you on the right side of that line? Tool number 3, AI coding assistants. Software development was supposed to be recession-proof. Learn to code, they said. Well, AI can now write functional, tested, production-ready code from plain English descriptions. Junior developers especially are facing an existential threat. Major tech companies have publicly confirmed they are reducing junior engineering hires because AI handles entry-level coding tasks. Tasks that once required a developer, a QA tester, and a code reviewer can now be completed by one senior engineer with an AI copilot. But the senior engineers? They're more valuable than ever. AI has made them superhuman. One architect-level developer using AI tools can ship features that would have required a team of 12. The demand for those skills isn't dropping. It's exploding. The middle is being hollowed out. If you're a developer, the message is clear. Stop writing boilerplate, start engineering systems. Use AI as your junior team. Your value is now in architecture, problem solving, and judgment, things AI still struggles with. Upskill immediately, or risk being the person the AI replaces. Tool number 4, AI customer service and sales platforms. Call centers, support agents, sales development reps, entire floors of these roles are being automated right now. AI voice bots and chat agents now handle complex conversations with near-human emotional nuance. The results are staggering. Companies deploying AI customer service report 80% reductions in support costs while maintaining or improving customer satisfaction scores. That's not a pilot program. That's a complete industry transformation. If your job involves answering questions or closing deals over phone or chat, you need to hear this. AI sales tools go further. They analyze thousands of data points to identify ideal prospects, personalize outreach, handle objections, and even predict when a lead is ready to buy. SDRs who spend 8 hours on cold outreach are being outperformed by AI running 24 hours straight without breaks. The customer service workers who survive this wave are the ones moving into AI training, quality assurance for AI systems, and complex escalation roles that require genuine human empathy and judgment. Again, the pattern is identical. Use the tool, supervise the tool, or be replaced by the tool. Tool number 5, AI video and audio creation. This one hits YouTube creators, video editors, podcast producers, voice actors, and broadcasters. AI now clones voices, generates synthetic presenters, creates fully edited videos from scripts, and produces studio-quality audio with zero human crew required. Voice acting jobs have been devastated. Platforms that connect brands with voice talent have seen booking volume drop by significant percentages as AI voice cloning enters commercial use. A brand can now create a consistent voice asset once and replicate it infinitely for near zero cost. Video editors face a similar storm. AI can now take a raw recording, auto-cut silences, add captions, generate B-roll, color grade, and export a finished video in minutes. What used to cost thousands and take days now costs almost nothing and takes minutes. The production economics have collapsed. Yet the creators using AI video tools are producing more content, better content, and growing their audiences faster than ever. The YouTube channels exploding in growth right now, many are run by tiny teams, sometimes one person, leveraging AI to produce what used to require a full production house. So we've covered 5 tools: AI writers, AI designers, AI coders, AI sales and support agents, AI video creators. Each one is live, each one is already eliminating roles at scale, and each one is simultaneously creating enormous opportunities for people willing to evolve. Now let's talk about what you actually do. First, take an honest audit of your current role. List every task you do in a typical week. For each one, ask yourself, could an AI do this with the right prompt and data? If the answer is yes to more than 60% of your tasks, your role is in genuine danger. Denial will not protect you. Next, identify which parts of your work require uniquely human capabilities: nuanced judgment, creative direction, emotional intelligence, physical presence, ethical reasoning. These are your fortress. Build deeper expertise in these areas. AI cannot replicate them, at least not yet, and not without your help. Third, start experimenting with these tools immediately, even if your job feels safe today. The learning curve is steep for people who start late, and shallow for those who start now. Every week you wait is a week your AI-fluent competitors pull further ahead in skill, speed, and market value. Fourth, think about becoming the human layer between AI and the real world. Someone has to prompt these systems. Someone has to audit outputs. Someone has to manage AI ethics, accuracy, and brand alignment. These AI oversight roles are some of the fastest growing and highest paying jobs emerging right now. Here's something the doom headlines never mention. AI creates jobs too. Every major technological revolution, printing press, electricity, computers, internet, ultimately created more employment than it destroyed, but it did destroy specific roles. The people who failed to adapt paid the price. The new jobs AI is creating include prompt engineers, AI trainers, model evaluators, synthetic data specialists, AI ethics consultants, and automation strategists. Most of these roles didn't exist 3 years ago, most pay extremely well, and most are accessible without a traditional computer science degree. Let's talk about the industries being hit hardest right now. Marketing and advertising are experiencing massive restructuring. Agencies that once employed hundreds of copywriters and designers are running leaner, with AI handling production. Creative directors still reign, but the production army beneath them is thinning. Legal services are under enormous pressure. AI can now conduct contract review, legal research, due diligence, and document drafting faster and cheaper than junior associates. Large law firms are quietly reducing associate class sizes. Paralegals face the most immediate displacement pressure. Finance and accounting feel the tremors too. AI models now perform financial analysis, generate reports, detect fraud patterns, and even make trading decisions at microsecond speed. Entry-level analyst roles are shrinking. Bookkeeping as a career is effectively on life support in many markets. Healthcare administration, billing coders, medical transcriptionists, appointment schedulers is facing a wave of automation. Clinical roles involving physical examination and human compassion remain protected for now. But the administrative backbone of healthcare is rapidly being rebuilt around AI systems. Education isn't immune either. AI tutoring systems now provide personalized learning paths that adapt in real time to each student's gaps. The role of the classroom teacher as information deliverer is under pressure. What remains irreplaceable is mentorship, inspiration, and human connection. Focus there. Let's address the fear head-on. Feeling anxious about this is rational, but anxiety without action is just suffering. The people who will thrive in this AI transition are not necessarily the most technically gifted. They're the ones who move fastest, stay curious, and refuse to be passive about their own future. Upskilling doesn't require going back to school for 4 years. There are hundreds of free and affordable online courses specifically teaching AI tools for marketers, writers, designers, developers, and business professionals. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The cost of inaction has never been higher. The concept of AI fluency is becoming as fundamental as digital literacy was in the late 90s. Remember when knowing how to use email and a spreadsheet made you hireable? Knowing how to effectively use AI tools is the new baseline. In 2 years, it won't be a differentiator. It'll be a requirement. Build your personal brand around your human expertise, plus your AI capabilities. The most valuable professionals in every field right now are those who combine deep domain knowledge with AI proficiency. A marketing strategist who understands both brand psychology and AI generation is nearly impossible to replace. Don't wait for your company to train you. Most organizations are moving too slowly on AI adoption. Take ownership of your own education. Spend 30 minutes every morning experimenting with these tools. Build small projects. Document what you learn. Share it online. Become the known AI person in your field. Network with others navigating this shift. Online communities, LinkedIn groups, subreddits, Discord servers dedicated to AI in your specific profession are invaluable. The people who share what they're learning and connect with other adapters build knowledge and opportunities faster than those who go it alone. Consider developing a side income stream that's AI resistant or AI enhanced. Consulting, coaching, speaking, community building, these all leverage your expertise while being inherently human. Even better, use AI tools to scale a freelance business in your area of expertise to generate income while you transition. Let's revisit those 5 tools one final time with a different lens. AI writers, threat or weapon? Weapon if you use them. AI designers, threat or weapon? Weapon if you learn prompt craft. AI coders, threat or weapon? Weapon if you architect systems. Same for AI sales tools and AI video. All weapons, all available now. The companies winning in every industry right now share one characteristic. They're not choosing between human workers and AI. They're combining the two into hybrid workflows that are dramatically more productive than either alone. The winners understand that the goal isn't automation. Here's your action plan. This week, pick one AI tool related to your profession and spend 3 hours learning it. This month, find one task in your job you can automate or accelerate. This quarter, position yourself as the AI-informed expert in your team. Small steps, compounding impact. The most dangerous mindset you can have right now is, "This won't affect my field," or "I'll deal with it when it happens." Both of those thoughts have already cost thousands of people their careers. The disruption doesn't wait for your readiness. Your readiness has to wait for nothing. Start today. You've just learned which 5 AI tools are reshaping entire industries, which jobs are most at risk, and exactly how to position yourself to not just survive but thrive in this transformation. The knowledge exists, the tools exist. The only question left is whether you'll act on it. If this opened your eyes, share it with one person whose career might be in the path of this storm. They might be grateful you did. And if you want to go deeper on exactly how to use each of these tools to build income and stay relevant, the next video is already queued up.